If the big snow will lead to another water crisis in Jackson, city leaders say no. You'll remember consecutive days of sub-freezing temperatures last month were too much for the city's aging infrastructure. About 150 water mains broke, leaving many neighbors with no water and forcing others to boil their water for days. Our live Storm Shield 16 meteorologists say it won't get cold enough for us to have similar problems, but city crews aren't taking any chances.
In terms of the precautions, we have our crews ready to go. We have other crews in the Department of Public Works ready to go. But we don't anticipate the level of system failure that we had last time.